What we have here is the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 360 a-rgb. That's the cooler right there, 360 AIO. And here's the cooling piece of it, right? The problem I have is that the radiator is actually too thick. Normal AIOs have thinner radiators, and the small height difference is enough to either clear it or not clear it. You see right here, I can't install this one because it does not clear that heat sink on the motherboard. It just won't slide in, and because it won't slide in anymore, I can't screw the radiator to my case. It just won't slide in anymore. That's it. So that's the limitation of the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2, the 360 a-rgb, a fantastic cooler. Now, normally the thickness is a good thing because it's a little bit thicker, meaning it has a better cooling performance than most radiator. But in this case, just that extra thickness makes it very hard to install. So I can either go with a thinner cooler or install it on the side here, which I don't want to do because I wanted to install it on the top and have the pipes come down from the top. So that's the limitation of the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 360 AIO. It does have a thicker radiator, and that can be a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know, it's up to you, but there we go. That's the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 360 AIO, that thickness right there. The thickness of a regular AIO cooler, this is a Corsair cooler, and that one on top, that's the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 360. And you see how much thicker that radiator is? I'm gonna have to replace it out with a Corsair one, a little bit thinner, but it will actually fit. You see right there? That's the thickness difference of a normal cooler and the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 360 thickness. So thicker is better in terms of performance in certain situations, but fitment wise, the Arctic has been a challenge to fit in a lot of cases for me, especially in tight situations like this.